Hello students, in this video we will solve some important problems on multiple integrals. So, let us start. Now, let us see the problem. Double integration over E x square plus y square dx dy. The region E bounded by the curves x y is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to x and x is equal to 2. Now, draw the curves at first and find the region E in the two dimension. The curve xy represent a rectangular hyperbola. Y is equal to 0 represent x axis. Y is equal to x line, y is equal to x, xy is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 line. The point of intersection of the curve xy is equal to 1 and y equal to x, 1, 1. That means the coordinates of the point in foot of the perpendicular from the point P 1 1 are 1 0. Now, draw x is equal to 2 line. X is equal to 2 means x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. E region bounded by the curve xy is equal to 1, this curve, and y is equal to 0. Y is equal to x and x is equal to t. Therefore, the common portion of these given curves is represented by the shaded region. That means the region O N L M P O represents the area, represents the region E. The region E can split two region O N P O and P N L M P. The integration over E x square plus y square dx dy is equal to the integration over this subpart plus integration over this subpart, and hence we get integration x square plus y square dx dy over E is equal to integration over ONPO x square plus y square dx dy plus integration over n l m p double integration x square plus y square dy dx. Choose a particular point and draw a line parallel to y axis. This line segment is y ordinate of an arbitrary point x y on the line y is equal to x. The ordinate of this point y is equal to 0 and the ordinate of this point is x. Since the point xy lies on the line y is equal to x and hence y is equal to x is the ordinate of this point. The limit, lower limit of y is equal to 0, upper limit x. Now, the line or this foot of the perpendicular moves from O to N in this region and hence we can say that x changes from 0 to 1 and hence lower limit of x 0, upper limit 1 plus similarly second part. Take an arbitrary point and draw a line parallel to y axis. The point xy lies on the curve x is equal to y and hence we can write x square plus y square dy dx. The lower limit of y is equal to 0 and upper limit y is equal to 1 by x and the line moves from N to L, that is the foot of the perpendicular moves from the point N to L and hence x changes from 1 to 2, x is equal to 1 to 2. Next step, x is equal to 0 to 1. Now integrate with respect to y and let us assume that x treats as a constant plus y cube by 3, lower limit y is equal to 0, upper limit y is equal to x dx plus x is equal to 1 to x square y plus y cube by 3, lower limit y is equal to 0, upper limit y is equal to 1 by x dx is equal to integrate x is equal to 0 to 1. Now put upper limit y is equal to x. Y is equal to x means x cube plus x cube by 3 dx, and for lower limit the value of this expression is 0. Second part, x is equal to 1 to 2, put y is equal to 1 by x, we get x plus y cube 1 by 3x cube dx. Now integrate the first part, 4x cube by 3, so that x to the power 4 by 3, 4 and 4 cancelled, lower limit x is equal to 0, upper limit 1 plus integrate the second part, lower limit x is equal to 1, upper limit x is equal to 2. This implies 1/3 plus x is equal to 2 means 2 minus 1 by 24, x is equal to 1 minus half plus 1 by 6 is equal to 24. 8 plus 48 minus 1 minus 12 plus 4 is equal to 8, 4, 12 minus 12 cancelled, 48 minus 1, 47 by 24. Here the region E is bounded by the straight lines y is equal to 0, y is equal to x, x is equal to 2 and a curve xy is equal to 1. Let us take an arbitrary ordinate, suppose q r. Since the ordinate is movable, means QR gradually moves from the point O to the point L. The end point Q lies y is equal to x and another curve xy is equal to 1, and hence we can split the region E by the line PN. So, it says that the area ONPO and the area NLMP is equal to the area of the region E, and hence the given integration can split into two parts. First part integrate on the region ONPO, and second part integrate on the region NLMP. This idea is very important, and it helps us to problem solve easily. So, we can try. For each problem, the region can be divided into one or more portions, and the idea of this region helps you to solve other problems. সবাই ভালো থেকো। আজ এই পর্যন্ত। সামনের দিন আরও ভীষণ ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্রবলেম নিয়ে আবার ফিরে আসবো।